This is me. A girl from a small seaside town doing whatever a teenage girl does in high school. Has nothing to do. Has nothing to worry about. Knows nothing about love. And there's her, breaking into my life like a hurricane. Or like the first ray of morning sunshine, or the first sip of soda. She's funny, creative, energetic. I can catch on to every joke she makes. The annoyance becomes happiness. I just love being with her. I just want to be with her. At first, it was the confusion, the scare, the excitement, the questioning, the doubts, all of the what ifs. What if I were a boy? I'd be able to love you in the sun. Then the recklessness, the falling, the tryouts, the unintentional physical contacts, the unintentional eye contacts. It's hard, but also sweet. I could spend the rest of my life with her, like this. Then there's the first kiss. But people always wake up from their dreams the next day. With the arguing, the fighting, the family issues, the I don't want to watch you destroy yourself. I didn't know a heart could handle this much pain. Peter eventually loses his Wendy. It would be great if the Pacific Ocean was made of orange soda. In that case, I would be able to keep you.
Are you really trying to use... Fan is trying to use scissors to open this bottle. Cause she... Oh! Oh, well, I was proven wrong. She did